folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in Junction City this afternoon. Today I'd like to present to you this 26A little Class C by Winnebago. Come on inside and we'll take a look around. This coach has a nice walk-around queen bed. Great storage for such a little coach. This bedroom area has two slide outs for the walk-in or for the closet area, drawers. Good windows for nice open feeling. This also has the screen shades as well as the blackout shades. And it has a separated bath area here with the shower in the hall. And then the bathroom right across. Coming into the kitchen, we have a two-door Norcold gas electric refrigerator. We have an oven in this small Class C, as well as a 3-burner cooktop and a microwave. Great storage here with slide-out drawers. All three of these are great for like crock pots, blenders, bigger appliances that you might have. Nice size U-shaped dinette. You can actually sit with your back against these cushions here. These come up. And good storage in this area as well. We also have a bed up here, the TV. This coach comes on a Ford V10 Triton engine. This is a good sized storage area here. The little light in there. And another small storage area here. This coach has a ladder if you need to access the roof, and a 5,000-pound hitch. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach that we have to offer here at Guaranty, please call me on the number you see below or my cell number, 541-505-0292. Thank you so much.